Hi guys, Baldo with the Sold by Baldo team here at our newest listing, 308 Jericho Turnpike in New Hyde Park. It's a commercial space. It's a 5,000 square foot property. We have an 850 square foot office space with a receptionist area. It's all redone. There's 3 offices on the property. Here's office 1, office 2. Here's a little dining lunch area. You have a half bath here. You also have the 3rd office here that leads out to the parking lot. There's a 1.5 car garage, a shed. Perfect for somebody who's looking for a brick and mortar commercial space. Tons of space, tons of parking. Full basement as well for storage. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.